All right, some green. Am I freaking dreaming, guys? I don't know, but we have all the indexes up right now and a bunch of stocks are moving. So we have to break down stocks I'm watching, the indexes, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subs, and check out this new deal that Moo is running. Check out that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 20 more stocks. And get this, guys, deposit at least $5,000, you get 35 more stocks. So let me do the math here. What is that? 60 free stocks if you deposit at least $5,000. This is unbelievable. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. And now, cheers. Take a sip of your coffee. You might as well do it. And let's dive into it. So, like I said, we're finally seeing some green. We're up across the board. The S&P's up 0.4%. Looking here at SPY, QQQ is up 0.75%. We have the Dow up, let's see, about 0.25%, which yesterday the Dow actually had a pretty nice rebound day. I'm not sure if you guys saw that. And the Russell is up almost 0.5%. So we are moving heading into tomorrow, which Trump has coined as Liberation Day, right? We'll see how tomorrow goes, the tariffs. I mean, it's going to be a big day, but we are now running into that day. The VIX is down 3%. We're at 21 points. We have the metals, kind of a mixed bag for the metals. Gold's up a little bit here, about 0.25%. Gold has been moving. For those of you guys that have not seen it, we hit all-time highs pretty much every day, it seems like, for gold recently. And silver is pretty much at break even. But yeah, pretty nice day across the board today. Let me pull up SPY and show you a bit more of what I'm seeing here. So clearly now we're starting to see potentially a double bottom being put in, and obviously we're not breaking out or anything like that by any means, guys. This is simply a little bit of a relief rally so far today, what we're seeing, but we are noticing potentially a double bottom being put in here, although we are still trading under both moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Keep that in mind. And QQQ, let's see where this thing's at. I'm not seeing much of a double bottom here. We actually took out the lows from earlier in March. You guys see that, but we're fighting to retake that level, and I think we actually are now. Let me draw this out. Yeah, we are pushing above the lows from earlier in March, right? Now it's April 1st. I could say an April Fool's joke, but it's too late. I was going to make a video like, oh, I'm quitting YouTube or some BS, but I've done that so many times on April Fools. It's getting old now. I'm not going to do it, but happy April. Hope you guys have a great April and had a great March. Cheers. Cheers to that. But QQQ is retaking that support, which is good. We fell through it a bit yesterday, the day before as well, right? But now we're starting to break back over 465. We're at 472 as I'm making this video, and just like SPY, I mean, we're not fully breaking out by any means, guys. This is simply a relief rally, but we are seeing a decent push here as we're still in a downtrend, still under both moving averages. So it's nothing crazy, man. I would not be surprised if we were met with more red tomorrow or maybe the day after. I mean, this is the type of market that we're in. It's all over the place. We have a couple green days followed by an onslaught of red days. Then we have some green days to follow. This is nothing new, and we're kind of just repeating what we've been seeing. You guys can see last time we got very oversold. A couple weeks ago, we had a relief rally on QQQ. Then we got hit again, got a bit oversold yesterday, the day before. Now we're getting a bit of a relief rally. This is nothing new. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And keep in mind, again, we're not fully breaking out. We're nowhere near fully breaking out at this point in time. but I'll take it. I'll take some green. Why not? Why not? So let me run through some of these stocks on my watch list, guys. OKLO is the leading stock for me right now. I don't own it, but it's up 10% on the day, and I'm kind of kicking myself because literally about a week or two ago, I don't think I mentioned this on the channel here, but I was so close. It was more like a week ago. I was so close to buying puts on OKLO. I'm pretty sure it was right after they reported earnings. The markets were getting ready to dump again in my eyes at that time. And I was right, but I didn't act on the put options. I should have, but I was so close to buying puts on OKLO when it was at $30, $31. And, well, let's just say I missed out on a great trade because it went all the way down to $20, and that was a, 35% drop. Those puts, any puts I would have bought pretty much would have printed money, man. And I'm kind of kicking myself over that, but it is what it is. We can't catch every trade, but now we're pushing up again 10%, and I would not buy puts now. I feel like if I bought puts now, I'd be chasing it a bit. So maybe if it runs again to $30, I'll reconsider that. But yeah, it's up 10% right now. Rivian's starting to move as well. Rivian's up 7%. We're noticing a breakout above both moving averages right now. We're actually breaking out of this trend line I have drawn out. We have a golden cross. We're at a multi-week high on Rivian. So I actually like the way things are shaping up right now for the chart. I don't know about the company. I haven't done much digging into Rivian as of late, these last couple of quarters. Last time I looked into Rivian, they were losing $40K a vehicle. Hopefully that's gotten better. I don't know if it has. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, this stock is starting to move. Not fully breaking out yet, but if we take out this channel, it might very well start fully breaking out. So that's Rivian, RIVN. Tesla is also moving today, guys, 5.5%. In the green, up $14 a share. We're not breaking out of these moving averages yet. You guys see we're still under the 180 SMA. Well, I guess we're above the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart, but we're under the 180 SMA, which is where we got hit many times over the last couple of trading days. So we're not fully breaking out by any means on Tesla, but we are getting a relief rally on it. And let's say we do start breaking out a bit further, maybe maybe within this channel on the 1-hour time frame, Tesla could find its way back to 290, 295. That's in the cards for sure. And that would actually put it above this 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. And I don't know. It might be a decent trade. TSLA, keep your eyes on it here. And let's see what else. We have CrowdStrike moving, which I bought the dip on this thing a couple weeks ago, earlier in March. It got down to 300. I bought it at 305. So that was a pretty nice dip there after it dropped 30 to 35% from highs. And now it's at 360, up around 2.5%. Not bad. Google is another one that I bought the dip on. This one's been getting destroyed, man. It's at 159 now. I bought more a couple of days ago, I'm pretty sure. Trading days ago, I bought more in the mid 150s. So I'm going to keep buying Google here as it is very beaten up in my eyes. And if it gets under the lows from back in September, yeah, I'm going to be loading up on Google. Going to be buying a bunch more. So let me see what stocks are down today. I mean, not a crazy amount, but we do have some stocks. AMD, I own that one too. Not looking pretty for me, guys, in AMD, but it is a long-term hold. AMD's down about 0.5%. We're back in the low hundreds. We were just at 115 just literally a week ago. The tables have turned again on AMD, and I'm not surprised. I mean, guys, we weren't fully breaking out or anything, but now we're back in the low hundreds. If it goes back into the 90s, I'll be buying more AMD. And let's see what else is down. Netflix is actually down on the day. Let me pull up Netflix. This one's not looking great on the charts, honestly. We tried pushing out of these moving averages on the 4-hour. We failed. Now we're back under the moving averages, holding this trend line by a thread. You guys can see right here. And if we take this out, if we break through this point, yeah, maybe Netflix starts getting hit. But I don't know. Earnings are coming up. We'll get a lot more insight in about 2 weeks on the 17th of April. And guys, earnings season is, starting up again soon here. If you take a look at the banks usually kick off earnings, right? They're in 10 days. We have JP Morgan in 10 days. Bank of America is coming up here. So just as earnings season, you think it's wrapping up or it wrapped up, it's about to start again. So it's going to get real. We have a lot that's going to happen in April here. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join the free email list. That is linked down below. I send out my top stocks weekly. Put your first name and your email address. And again, it's free. And check out the new deal from Moomoo. Check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 20 more stocks and deposit $5,000, guys. You get 35 extra stocks. It is insane, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Get on it. Again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.